Ever filmed the perfect video, only to spot a random guy doing the floss in the background? Yep, we've all been there. But what if I told you, with just a few taps, you could crop out that chaos? Part 1. What does cropping even mean? Before we dive in and start slicing up videos like a digital ninja, let's quickly set the record straight. Cropping is not equal to trimming. Trimming shortens the length of a video. Think of it as snipping off the boring parts. Cropping, on the other hand, it's all about cutting out what you see, not what you hear. Unwanted objects, weird background stuff, awkward space, gone. Part 2. How to crop videos using iPhone's Photos app. Open your Photos app and find the video you want to crop. Hit Edit, that little magic wand with sliders at the top right. At the bottom, tap the crop icon. It looks like a square with arrows. That's your new best friend. Drag the corner handles inward to frame your video just the way you want it. Want a square for Instagram? Crop it into a square. Want to remove Cousin Vinny from the background? Slice him right out. Once your masterpiece looks clean and focused, tap Done. And boom, your video is cropped, saved, and ready to post or flex. Part 3. Using the Video Crop app. If you're on older iOS, download the free Video Crop app from the App Store. Open the app and tap the big crop icon in the middle. Select the video you want. Now you can drag the crop box however you like. You can also choose preset aspect ratios at the bottom. Perfect for TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts, or your cat's fan page. When you're happy, tap the download icon in the top right. The video will process and save automatically. Done. Edited. And no weird photo bombers in sight. It's fast, it's easy, and your content looks 10 times better instantly. If this saved your video from digital disaster, drop a like, tap subscribe, and let me know in the comments. What's the weirdest thing you've had to crop out of a video?